Okay, so I'm going to show you a pretty annoying Windows error. So it's got to do with Sysprep. So when you run Sysprep, it gives you this stupid errors that says Sysprep was not able to validate your Windows. So all you have to do to fix this is open your Microsoft Explorer. My drive is pretty full. Right, and then come to the Windows folder. Go to System 32 and then scroll down to Sysprep folder. Obviously you know where this is because you ran Sysprep and it gave you that error. So if you want to see the error log, go into Panther folder and then open the error log, as you can see here. So as you can see, I ran it twice, so there's the actual error and then it just gives the same error again, so it's not a bunch of errors. So usually if there's an application at the top, that is the one that throws the error. So in my case it was actually Wingate that threw the error, but I've seen 7-zip, BitLocker, any of those ones. So if you see an application there, you need to uninstall that. So the easiest way to do that is to pretty much just copy this string, this error string. These other ones all got to do with that application, so you don't have to copy that. So we need to uninstall this in PowerShell. So to get the commands, I just go to, let me just go to my application. I just go to ChatGPT, paste that string in, and it should give me the commands to uninstall it. So let's see. Yeah, so first you get it. First it gets the app package. So this is the Wingate. Remove app package, all users. Let's see. Okay, so the first one, so let's just run that in PowerShell quickly. So PowerShell, run as administrator. Right, paste it in here. Right, it's done, it's quick. So that's actually remove app package. What is this other one? Provision app, all users, all you need is I think that should sort it out. Yes. Oh god. Yeah, that definitely will sort it out. Another thing is just make sure your Windows is up to date fully. So that's to have that green check. You can even check it again. Restart your computer, make sure it's up to date, because that definitely will throw it off. Because I've tested this if you have a new install, like a clean install, and you immediately run Sysprep, it works. But if you wait a while, it will give you that error because it's busy updating. So you have to fully update it and it will run again. But once you're running applications and all that stuff, like you've seen, some applications will throw that error and you need to uninstall that specific application in the error log to get it to work again. So yeah, that's it. It's pretty easy fix, but an annoying one to figure out. Yeah, that's it.